campaign for TikTok. It's called Buy Local, Shop Local, wherein we help the farmers. So I went personally to Nueva Ecija, sat down with the farmers there. They're actually selling rice o bigas na sila po nag-aani. So TikTok Philippines tapped me to live sell their products, and I was able to sold 2.4 million pesos of rice, worth of rice. So imagine that huge help that would give our farmers. It would uplift also, di ba? It would uplift their lives. And parang it's really more of supporting local brands as well and helping them thrive in the business. So you're giving them opportunity. Lalo na yung mga small businesses. You're giving them opportunity because of course you're exposing them during your live selling, and of course you get celebrities and influencers who already has a name in the business who would actually hold their products. So in that way, it's really a great help for them. So parang hindi ko lang na-share kanina